guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Asteria Hair, and they sent me this beautiful curly wig. What is that? But yeah, they sent me this beautiful curly wig. I think this is 28 inches, 250 density. Guys, when I tell you thick is not even the word, like look at that, like look at that, very thick. I actually love this curl. Like, it's giving me mixed vibes, you know. But before I jump into the video and talk a little bit more about the wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So I got the hair in this bag, which is the bag that you use to put your wig in when you're not wearing it anymore. I realize people keep throwing down their wigs as if you did not just pay like at least $300 for it, but you know, to each his own, man, to each his own. Okay, so this is a HD lace, 28 inch. The cap size is medium and it is 250 density. Everything was on point. Like, the length is actually 28 inches, so the lace is actually HD. The cap size fits like a medium because it wasn't too snug on my head, but it wasn't too big, and the hair is very thick, so for sure it is 250 density. And I love honest company, you know, like give me what I pay for type of thing. Like, yeah, I think that, what else? Yeah, so they sent me this edge melt bun. I didn't use it because for my head I will have to end up tying the band, and because it has like the velcro strap on it, I don't really use it because it's not tight enough for my head. If you have like a bigger head size, then this will go perfect, like it will actually work for you, but for me it doesn't work. Like, yeah. Or if you don't want a headache, you can also use this because it does give you a headache, like it snaps for you. But I personally like using my elastic bands because it's very tight and I want the wig to stay on my head, especially when I'm like pulling and tugging it here, tugging it there. Yeah, so that's that. They also sent me these lashes. Let me see what this is, but yeah, these. I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah, so they sent me these lashes, which for me, I don't really like wearing those lashes. Like, I like cat eyes type of shape lashes, but if you like these ones, then you're good to go. But yeah, that's what they sent. No, actually I'm lying. So they also sent me some stocking cap, but I used one. So yeah, that's what they sent to me inside the packaging: the wig, the stocking cap, the edge band, and the wig, stocking cap, edge band, and the lashes. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys jump right into this video. But before we go anywhere, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Okay guys, so I did my wildcat method. I'm gonna be showing you guys the wig and how it looks. So this is her. I went ahead and I plucked and bleached it. Can it focus? Like, very gonna focus. But yeah, I went ahead and plucked and bleached it. I'm about to add my foundation to it, and then, oh my gosh, I went to the beauty supply store and forgot to buy my even tinted lace spray. But yeah, I'm going to be installing it right now. Guys, this hair is actually giving. It's giving I paid a lot of money for my wig, and it's giving I got every bundle. It's giving, is this 5 bundle or 6? yeah, 5 bundles. Yeah, you don't get on me, I say, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put my glue on. Today I'll be using the Tammy Doll hair glue. I went to the store to get the actual glue, so like this glue thingy, and they didn't have any, like this tube, so I'm working with this today. But I really like this glue though. This glue is actually good. yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Asteria Hair for sponsoring this video. The links to everything will be down in the description box. So the links to the wig, the website, all of that. If I have a coupon code, it will be down in the description box as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.